Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing I am Nagi for the matchup. Make sure he is unlocked and at least level 20 so his core moves activate. Once done, equip his primary trait and 2 synergy items that boost shot and agility. This lets you convert chances. Then choose a formation with wide channels to give him space on the flank. Do this now so you enter the game with him positioned where his dribbles and timed runs will matter most to your game plan. You continue by focusing on positioning and combo execution. Use quick 1-2 pass sequences to pull defenders out of place and open 1 versus 1 opportunities for Nagi. When his stamina is at or above 50%, trigger his special move to increase success rate. Timing matters because defenders react faster late in the play. Make sure to switch control briefly to bait tackles, which creates the space you need, and then release control back for a precise shot or clipped pass to a supporting striker. You finish the sequence by focusing on clean execution and contingency. When given a scoring chance, favor placement rather than raw power in tight angles because it yields higher conversion. If you notice his fatigue dropping accuracy, plan a substitution around 70 to 75% match time to preserve effectiveness. If the plays repeatedly fail, reset the formation, reopen the wide channel, and rerun the 1-2 build. This troubleshooting tip gives you a quick loop to regain control and restore matchup advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.